the only online business model that still works for beginners in 2026. Hi and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jyotima and I'm online visible for more than 14 years. Named one of the 500 best German coaches in the market and known as the mini course queen. And today I will show you the complete online business strategy that I would use if I would start over 2026. If you want to succeed in 2026, you need a high ticket offer. No $10 or $30 products, no 100 reels a day. You need a real high ticket offer for $2,000 or more. Help people on a deep level and build a business that feels light and simple. And I will show you exactly how to do that, even if you are a complete beginner or doing this as a side hustle. Chapter 1. Why almost every beginner starts wrong. Most people start with cheap products because they think everyone will buy this. But then they sit there and posting content and they get exhausted because no one buys, because no one cares what you do, because no one in social media will actually wait for you. If your price is too low, you will need massive numbers of people. And that is the hardest part in the entire online world. I would start small and think of the first 10 people that I will have a solution for. So what would be much easier? An offer of $2,000, $10,000 or even $20,000? Something that truly helps. Something that creates real transformation. Something that lets you support people deeply. And yes, you can offer something like this even if you're a complete beginner. Because you have your wisdom, you have your passion. You will know how to guide people in all your life experience. You don't need to know everything on your path. You only need to solve one real problem. And that's it. Chapter 2. Your high ticket offer. This would be the starting point of everything. You will start thinking, what am I here for? What kind of impact can I make on my target group? And you will create your high ticket offer. I would say minimum $2,000 or more. More is better. An offer that moves your client forward. An offer you enjoy delivering. An offer where you can honestly say, yes, I can help you with this. And it takes so much time and it costs so much money. This is your base, this is your foundation, and it is secure for you. Once you sold this offer, or even once you have it clearly defined, you can start with the next chapter. Chapter 3, your $47 mini course, your entry point to your high ticket offer. And now we're coming back to the digital products here with Jyotima. Now you start your funnel. You create a mini course for around $47. This mini course is the first step of your bigger transformation. It's easy to implement, fast to consume, probably in a weekend, and the perfect introduction to your main offer. And now starts the most important part. Inside this mini course, you start pitching your high ticket offer. Naturally, without pressure, just as the obvious next step. By the way, do you like these videos? And please leave a comment and subscribe to my channel. I'm happy to show you even more videos how to turn your passion into profit. Chapter 4, ads to your mini course. And now comes the part that makes every business easy in 2026. You start posting your content organically, but you can also try and run ads to your mini course. Why? Because with this model, you get paying customers immediately. You build a high quality community, not just freebie hunters. You will earn back your ad spend quickly and you will reach people every day. Freebies might only bring you email ghosts, but a mini course will bring you buyers. And buyers are the foundation for your real business. Chapter 5. How this lets you scale easily. Once you understand this funnel, mini course, high ticket offer, you're ready to scale. Once your ads are running and you sell mini courses every day, a few things happen automatically. People buy your high ticket program automatically. You create real fans, your Instagram, your social media will grow. Your business becomes stable instead of chaotic. And you don't need to be on Instagram every day. And this is exactly how I made over 280,000 euros with mini courses, plus group programs, plus mentoring, and how I built a freedom business as a single mom with only 5 hours a day. A business that doesn't depend on social media every day. Chapter 6, what you should do now. If you want a business that is predictable, runs automatically, creates real results and makes happy clients, and gives you time for your life, then this model is definitely right for you. If you want to go deeper, go grab my book, The Mini Course Method. The complete roadmap to a funnel with mini courses that will bring you happy clients. The link you will find directly under this video. Or if you want to build your online business with me together and with my tech specialist and my proven system, book a call right now and let us build your online business the easy way. And now watch my next video where I show you how to create your online business, where I show you how to turn your passion into a profitable online business. Lots of love and see you there.